Hi and welcome. I am Kamwa Maxen from AIC Expert, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to check if your web application is running behind a web application firewall. A web application firewall basically is a device or a tool that sits in between your application server and the internet. So what it does is it filters all the requests that are sent from your users, from your end users in this case, to your web application server. So the most interesting feature about the web application firewall is that it helps to mitigate attacks such as the distributed denial of service attack and the denial of service attack. The denial of service attack is a scenario where an attacker actually tries to rain down the service that is hosted on your web application server. We'll be using Kali for this tutorial, and the tool that we'll be using is the WAFUF tool that comes pre-installed with Kali Linux operating system. If you don't have the tool installed, then I'm going to walk you through the process of installing the tool, and then I'm going to show you how we'll be checking if your web application is running behind our application firewall. So go to your terminal. When your terminal is open, the name of the tool is WAFUF, and you need to be careful here because it's actually 00. It's not O as in OO. It's 00. So if you don't have the tool pre-installed, what you need to do to type the command to install the tool in your system is you do an apt-get like any other Linux operating system. You do apt-get install WAFUF. So if you don't have the tool installed, when you do this command, when you type this command, it's going to install the tool. Or if you already have Python installed in your system, you can just do pipe install WAFUF. And remember that it is 2 zeros, 00, not 00. So if you successfully install the WAFUF tool, we are going to be using it right away. So to run the tool, you just type WAFUF and then you press enter. Now, this is the WAFUF tool. It's a web application firewall detection tool, like I earlier said. And this is the command. To use the tool, you type the WAFUF command and then you enter the domain name or the address of the web application. For example, we are using www.victim.org. So we'll do WAFUF and then we'll enter the address of the site, www.sodea.org. So this is the command. You type the WAFUF command and then you enter the address that takes you to the web application or the domain name of the web application. So when you press enter, WAFUF is going to send a number of packets or is going to make a number of requests to your server or your application server to check if the application is running behind a web application firewall. So it's generating some results, and as you can see here, they said no web application firewall was detected. So basically it means that this site or this web application is vulnerable to. The next example we'll be looking at the UBOYA, which is actually the application of my former university. So I want to just check if it's running behind a web application firewall. So we'll do the same command. We'll type WAFUF and we'll do the https www.uboya.cn. So I want to just check if this web application is running behind a web application firewall. So as you can see from the result, the site is behind mode security, which actually is a form of a web application firewall. So guys, thank you very much for your patience, and please don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such videos. Thank you.